would like to thank you on behalf of the whole Alliance Air family. A very warm welcome to you, and please take us on this path of this inner enlightenment. And as you suggested, the topic for today is Raj Yogic lifestyle and self mastery. Please take us through it.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks a lot. So, to have invited us for this special, very good seva. And even I thank Deepaji also, especially to have organized this program. And it's a beautiful occasion. It would, in fact, it becomes a reason to meet all of you, right? So I would request everybody to switch on the videos. So because the session would be interactive, and better if everyone could switch on the videos. Yeah, thanks a lot. Because I think so everyone is in the office, so it would be also good. Otherwise, I cannot meet you, you can meet me, but I cannot meet you if the videos are not on. Okay. So today we are going to discuss on a very important topic, of course, Yoga Day. And the theme of this year's yoga is yoga at home, yoga with family. So if we just understand this beautiful concept to be with family and to do something about the health, which is actually very essential in nowadays. Because if we see today, what is yoga? Yoga is nothing but connection. And connection of what with what? So it's connection with, because if the Sanskrit meaning of yoga is huge, so huge matlab connect karna. So who connects with whom? So the connection, because it's a connection between two things. So I connect with first on the thoughts. So I means the thoughts. What I feel is dependent on what I think. So my thoughts, because my impact of thoughts is always there on the feelings. So many times if we just see ourselves, I'm not feeling so happy. So what if we just see that time, it clearly we can clearly understand the kind of thoughts, the type of thoughts we are going through, because of which I'm not feeling happy. So what I think is what I feel is based on what I think. And then what I think is also dependent, what my body ailments is also dependent on what I think. The moment, suppose I'm going for an examination, and the moment there is an, like I just have a thought, fear. The moment there is a fear, I just don't know what will happen, how it is depicted on the body. Could you feel it immediately? There is a shivering. The first time we appeared before the public, there was a shivering. And if we see the reason of that shivering in the body, it's because the thoughts which I create. So therefore, what is going in the body is dependent on my thoughts. And then what I think has also a very powerful impact on my relationships, because relationships are the feelings between two individuals. There is not a defined pattern. If at all, relationships and close relationships matlabi you minds are closer, if this is the equation, that there would have been no stress in any relationship. लेकिन होता क्या है कि what I the relationships, because the feelings between the relationships are not so powerful. So that's the reason. So my thoughts have an impact on the relationships, and my thoughts, sorry, had an impact on the environment. We must have come across many times a situation that when the parents might be had a very heated argument, and the child is about to come from the school. The moment he enters the house, the parents are sensible. That time they keep quiet. They pretend to be very nice. But as a child, did did we were we able to feel that there is a heaviness in the energy in the atmosphere around us? Though we entered, that time it was everything was quite cool, calm. But still there is a heaviness. So what I feel, think, has an impact on the energy, on the atmosphere. So yoga is not just a physical posture, but it is a connection. And that connection, the impact of that connection of me is so much big. It's like this is the whole world for me. The thoughts, in a way, is impacting my world. So if I need to actually keep all these connections very powerful, the best way is the last connection, connecting myself with the Supreme. So this is what the thoughts are. The impact of thoughts is such a great, it has so much strong impact on everything around us. So when we say yoga, normally we think it is just a physical yoga. No? Physically, is it possible that physically I'm doing the yoga, I'm able to do many postures, my hands are able to reach that leg also, so it's like the body is very flexible. This is true, but still I cannot bend my mind. Is it possible that the body is flexible but the mind is very rigid, the mind is very tough? So if half an hour yoga, the body is very flexible and it has an impact on the system, my health is okay, and my mind is very tough, could there be a possibility that I do this yoga very regularly, but inside I have a strong hatred for some particular person? There is a communication breakdown, or I'm very much, uh, I mean, I as an employer, I just cannot, I don't expect uh, the person to be like that, and still he is like that. He's not my way. So there is a means in both of us, neither I want to bend nor he wants to bend. वो कहता है तुम ठीक करो, वो कहता है मैं तुम ठीक करो. So none of them want to be flexible. And what is happening throughout the day? I'm with the person. It could be even a husband, wife, suppose. And none of us are ready. वो कहते हैं तुम झुको, वो कहते हैं तुम पहले बात करो, and वो सोचते हैं तुम पहले बात करो. And what is happening because of which? Because of this, I'm tensed throughout. Because I need to remain in the same setup, and there is a strong hatred amongst the two individuals. What situation we are going through? अब पूरे दिन टेंशन है, Now this tension, will it impact my body? Yes or no? Will it impact? Yes, it will. And because it will have an impact on the body, so I am bound to be going through the ailments. Is it true? Once again, a request, because I think so everyone is listening, no, right? Because I don't see anybody. So as I was saying, he now 24 hours or maximum hours of the day, there is the tussle going on, and it will certainly impact the body. So if that is, uh, I'm doing yoga, but these feelings have a great impact on my body, because it is said that we all know, the WHO have clearly said that majority of the diseases are psychosomatic in nature, 95% nowadays. So therefore, if the mind is worrying, we are doing physical yoga, but the results would be very weaker. So therefore, why it is many times we have come across कि जहाँ हमारे feelings बहुत resentment के हैं, we all know that suppose I have a resentment for anybody right from the beginning, or my nature is of resentment or doubt, so I go on doubting, or I have a certain hatred for particular person, I am angry, मेरा nature बहुत anger का है, तो I have always a blockage, because जैसे ही मैं उसको देखती हूँ, I just create anger. So there is a blockage always here in my mind, and blockage means the moment he comes to me, before me, I just go on creating all sorts of negative thoughts. The cassette rewinds. तो ये ब्लॉकेज है उस सोल के साथ. तो वो ब्लॉकेज इवेंचुअली it comes in my energy body, aura body, and then much later it comes in the as an ailment in the physical body. So when we go to the doctor, तो क्या होता है? He creates, he does the surgery, or he gives the medication for that physical part, and then says okay fine, ठीक है, ये दवा खाओ ठीक हो जाओगे, एंड हमको ठीक भी लगता है. डायबिटीज की दवा लेते हैं. हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस हैव डायबिटीज हियर? बीपी, डायबिटीज, हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस मस्ट बी हैविंग ओवर हियर? मेनी. अच्छा, कब तक वो दवाई ले रही है? व्हाट डिड द डॉक्टर से? हाउ लॉन्ग हैव आई टू टेक दैट मेडिसिन? Any particular number of years? Lifelong. Beautiful answer. Why? Because the doctor, what it created was the physical part, and the root cause of that disease was where? The blockage in the mind here somewhere. I didn't know. I didn't like something. It was against me. I just created and holded that resentment inside since years. And so that resentment is there. वो belief है, वो nature मेरा नहीं गया, तो इसलिए वो मेडिकल, वो जो दवाई भी होती है, what it is actually medical management. I'm just able to manage the disease. It's not just getting out of it. I'm not able to cure it completely. And therefore the recurrence rate of such kind of diseases, एक बार कैंसर कर दिया, कीमोथेरेपी कर लिया, रेडिएशन ले लिया, फिर वापस आना चाहिए. एक बार इतना डायग्नाइज करा दिया बीपी का, हार्ट का, फिर वापस आना चाहिए. But why? Because the blockage here has not been created. The root cause of that disease is not treated. So therefore, it comes back again in the form of ailment. So, what is Raj Yoga? It is the treatment of this resentment, treatment of this anger. How do I eradicate this from my system? And actually, therefore, Raj Yoga is actually the mastery over the thoughts and thoughts, feelings, actions, and the sanskar. It is the mastery. क्योंकि जब तक मेरी वो थॉट्स में मास्टरी नहीं होगी, आई एम नॉट एबल टू गेट आउट ऑफ दैट थॉट. एंड हाउ डू आई चेंज these all thoughts? This is the beauty of Raj Yoga. Now, because as we saw earlier, it's a connection of the self, of the thoughts with the Supreme. Because now, this all world, the connection which we saw earlier, this is like the vraksh, the tree. And the root cause is the thoughts. Because my thoughts impacts everything around me. So the thoughts of the seed of my life, what is it? Thoughts impacting my feelings, thoughts impacting my relationships, thought impacting my body. So the root cause or the seed of my life is what? What do you feel is the seed of that life? It's the thoughts. अब इस थॉट्स को अगर मैंने वाटरिंग नहीं किया, I want this tree, this world, my relationship, my atmosphere, my everything around me very happy, very powerful, as per my expectation, etc. ये वृक्ष मुझे बहुत अच्छा चाहिए. I have to water what? The seed. So if I just go on watering the branches, will the tree be green? Will the tree bear the fruits? Will the tree grow? So if this thought, which is the seed of the life, this is not taken into consideration, it will just not be possible. So this is what I have to do. Now, when I say about the thoughts, it's like mobile hai. How many of us have mobile? I think so, everybody. And how many things are we able to do with the mobile? क्या क्या चीज हम कर सकते हैं मोबाइल के साथ? सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. ट्रेन की बुकिंग करनी है, फ्लाइट की बुकिंग करनी है, वीडियो देखना है, कैमरा, टॉकिंग, वीडियो कॉलिंग, emailing, etc., etc. N number of features. It's like the world. But if somebody says that I don't have time, but how will the mobile be able to do all these things? Only when it is charged. सब कुछ है उसमें फीचर्स. It is not charged. क्या हो जाएगा? चार्जिंग नहीं है तो वो मोबाइल वर्क नहीं करेगा, इन स्पाइट ऑफ इट हैविंग एवरीथिंग. तो इसी तरह थॉट्स से मेरा सब कुछ हो रहा है, बट इफ इट इज नॉट चार्ज्ड, द थॉट्स आर नॉट चार्ज्ड, देन इट, इन स्पाइट ऑफ its immense powers, I'm still not able to do anything. So this charging of the thoughts is Raj Yoga knowledge, which is a combination of spiritual knowledge and meditation. It's not just meditation. So this, and koi kahe, and if I need to use it more, somewhere it was very well written that if you want to do very good work, you want to be successful in your work, do 20 minutes meditation. And if you are very busy, then you do how much? 1 hour meditation. And I think so all of us here in this category, in this platform here at present, are in which category? Busy or very busy category? Busy category or very busy? Very busy, right? तो जितना ज़्यादा busy है, suppose it's like I'm using the mobile so much, then it's very much clear I need to charge it very often. And nowadays तो we have to carry the power banks. और जहाँ भी हो जाता है, time मिल जाता है, we immediately keep on charging. Because we know this is of so much importance. Can we realize the importance of our thoughts? और जिसके साथ, because of which I can do so many things. I can mend, I can improve, I can make peaceful, happy, so many other things around me. But the common complaint we all have, or the statement we have, that I don't have time. I don't have time to charge. This is the problem. इसलिए क्या हुआ? Because I didn't have time to charge. In spite of so many powers I have, in spite of the so many features the mobile have, we just cannot use it. So I'm not able to use my thought power anymore. In fact, my thought power has become a problem for me. So this charging is called Raj Yoga knowledge. Now, how the charging starts? So from the very beginning, if we just see mastery, it's like Raj Yoga is a mastery over your over your thoughts, feelings, and actions, and the sanskars. This is called Raj Yoga. Because, so first of all, charging the thoughts. How do I charge my thoughts? Now, charging the thoughts is like mastering the thoughts. Now, these are nothing. All the four things are, it's like my employees. Just imagine in a setup, like suppose you are in a setup now. You are the general manager here in this setup. And you have asked your employee, one of them, to do this work. He ignores it. You ask the other one to do that, to something else. He debates it. There is an argument over it. You ask the third person, and he just gives back answers. And the fourth, he doesn't obey. You are a leader, and none of them are under your control. What would you feel? Would you like to lead him? Do you feel yourself as a leader? Because none of them are under your control. ठीक इसी तरह, we are going through this problem. Neither the thoughts are under my control. बहुत बार हम सोचते हैं कि मैं कहना नहीं चाहता था, लेकिन पता नहीं, I don't know how did I speak it. So I have no control over my words. It's like so many times we have, like anyone you explained, no, this should not be done. This is not the way you are doing. This is not right. this is your not right behavior. We have explained that person, लेकिन फिर भी third time again the same pattern, again he does the same thing, and then this time when you explain him, the explanation, the words will be what? With anger? Is it true? The words are with anger. And then whilst explaining, we still say कि पता नहीं, I have decided that up to this third time तो I'm just not going to tell you about it. But I don't know, the moment you come before me, you do this, it just gets it I utter it. तो इसका मतलब मैं चाहता भी नहीं हूं, समझता भी हूं कि he is not listening, but I have no control over my words. So my words are not under my control. My feelings are not under my control. Attitude, actions, and sanskars, deep-rooted impressions. Some beliefs I'm going through, my nature, in simple words, they're not under my control. What kind of setup is it? Therefore, there is no mastery. Even if I'm a leader, but because I don't have any control over any of these things, I feel like running away. ऐसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में, ऐसा सेटअप में जहाँ कोई आपकी नहीं सुनता है, हाउ लॉन्ग वुड यू लाइक टू रूल? वुड यू लाइक टू होल्ड अ पोजीशन ऑफ अ मैनेजर और जनरल मैनेजर और अ डायरेक्टर और अ चेयरमैन? बिकॉज नन ऑफ देम लिसन टू यू. दिस इज द रीजन व्हाई पीपल से कि I just feel like leaving the body, and there are thoughts sometimes of running away from the life. कि क्या है? There is no mastery. So Raj Yoga is nothing but its mastery over the thoughts first. तो कैसे वो मास्टरी आती है थॉट्स में? थॉट्स का सबसे पावरफुल सोर्स क्या है? इंफॉर्मेशन. As is the information, so is the thoughts, so are the thoughts. अब you would say कि क्या करे, आजकल इंफॉर्मेशन ऐसी होती है, दिस काइंड ऑफ द व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस, गूगल, everything available, YouTube, TV, all the media things are so much so negative, then it's like likely we tend to develop the negative thoughts. Why somebody doesn't come home on time, suppose the daughter or the child, the very first thought which occurs over my mind क्या होता है? When the daughter, the child doesn't come on time, it's like it's 6:15 and she was to come at 6 o'clock, 6:30 हो गया, phone not reachable. Why the very first thought? It's negative or positive? Negative. So why this is what it why negative thought? Because this is the information we are going through. हम कहेंगे कि सारा दिन हम सुनते ही यही है, so obviously we are bound to think like that. So it means the type of information has a great influence on my thoughts. Like today what we are exposed to, ऐसा है, ये है, we are hearing the deaths, we are hearing the how it is spreading across, etc. So there is a fear created, and then we say कि information ही ऐसी है. Now you go to a hawker, there are mangoes, and there are 3 types of mangoes. One best quality, Alfonso mangoes, 1000 rupees kg. Second, little better, and the third is 200 rupees kilo. So now there are all the 3 mangoes are before you. What would you choose will depend on what? आपने कौन से type of mangoes choose किया will depend on what? It will depend on your firm interest, your desire. अगर आपने डिसाइड कर लिया है कि मुझे यही चाहिए, आई एम रेडी टू हैव लिटिल बट आई वांट अल्फोंस ओनली, क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है, तो इन स्पाइट ऑफ एवरीथिंग, इन स्पाइट कि आपके पास 2000 रुपये है, लेकिन आपने डिसाइड किया बिकॉज आई वांट क्वालिटी. तो सिमिलरली what I decide, I have YouTube, everything is available, Google, everything is available, in TV everything is available, but what I choose to listen decides on my interest. I cannot say media ऐसी है ना, natural है, मैं ऐसे ही I have to always listen this, it's just not necessary. There are so many beautiful classes of meditation, Raj Yoga meditation available on the YouTube if you wish. So, so the information, the type of information will how I exercise my choice over the information, that will decide my sanskar, my desire. तो खाली हम लोग ऐसे ही नहीं कह सकते हैं कि नहीं क्या करे, वो लोग ही ऐसे हैं, but exercising the choices in the type of information and then understanding it. Suppose I knew, I listened a session, okay fine, if I've not understood it and if I've not personalized it, I won't benefit. And then putting into actions, it becomes a belief. One is just an information. See, it's like I've taken the mangoes, I purchased the mangoes, but how will I enjoy the mangoes? Just by purchasing the mangoes, I cannot guarantee that I will enjoy the mangoes unless and until I eat it. So if at all, whatever information, like today now we have discussed so much with you in this 1 hour, but unless and until you experiment it, you don't put it into action, you won't enjoy that information. Otherwise it will just become, it will be as an information, it has not become you, because it has not become your belief. So mastery over your thoughts means mastery over the thought, over your information. And then second comes feelings. So then when, if I have the positive information, my feelings in the mind, because when I have the information and then I, with an open mind, I experiment it, it is bound to become my belief. So according to my belief, there would be the feelings in my mind. अब जैसे for example, this there was a soul, a person, and in one day he's an advocate, he helped his client, and the client, there was a good relationship with the client since last 20 years, and then some tax date was nearing, so he paid the 6 lakhs amount of the tax with that for the client, because by the time they will inform him, and if at all he is late, the dues would be of crores. So just to save him from that crores, the advocate himself pays on behalf of his client 6 lakhs. Within 3 days, the client changed his mind. I mean, there was some exchange heated, and बस वो change हो गया. And change हो गया, then he just decided to leave that consultant, to change the consultant. So there was lot of arguments. You please give my file. They told, okay, no, we cannot, etc., etc. Of course, he left. So 6 lakhs were the dues, which was paid on the notion of helping the client, and the 6 lakhs fees, 12 lakhs. So a loss of 12 lakhs in 15 days. Is it a big loss? But that advocate, being in the spiritual knowledge, they decided, ki come what may, we are not going to think any negative. It's okay, the money is gone at this moment, but we are not going to think any negative for that soul, because they were regular practitioner of this Raj Yoga meditation. So they decided ki we'll anyways have just positive knowledge, thoughts for that. So the feelings, the moment they decided, so every time they would just feel a very pure good wishes, that soul is an angel. Because what we want to make the soul feel that this is a mistake and you should not do this. Feeling, the realization is based on when can we realize? When we are stable, when we are positive. Any one of us were angry last week in this session? All those who are present, anyone was angry last week? None of them were angry? No one. Okay, in the 1 week, no anger. Wonderful alliance here. It's a joy flying with this. Okay, anyone? No one? Acha. 2 weeks ago?
Your
3 weeks
audio
ago?
on? Your audio is not on. Now you.
Anyone
Sister, we were very looking forward to it.
happy? Okay, this 1 week, right? But before that, the happiness was not that much, right? Before you got this information. Acha, brother raised the hand. So whenever you were angry, so that time, now did you speak anything wrong in your anger? Did you?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now when you recall those words, how do you feel about it?
Regret.
Regret. So why? Because when we became stable, now you are stable. And then when you hear that words, you feel this is not good. So realization always comes by stability. If I'm stable, then I'm able to realize. Otherwise, we are not able to realize. So even if I want to make any person realize, to feel that this is wrong, I have to be stable enough. I have to that person has to become stable to realize. And for stability, what is needed? Because throughout the day, suppose a soul is not listening to you, or there is some strong those people, those who are very much close to us, throughout the day we have to interact with them. And how many times we must have said that कि तुम तो सुनते नहीं हो, तुम तो सुनते नहीं हो? How many times we must have said that? कभी काउंट किया है कितने बार हमने बोला है? नहीं काउंट किया. इसका मतलब इतनी ज्यादा बार बोला है. Can we say like that? कि काउंट भी नहीं किया. Huh?
Sometimes we do become ungrateful, man. That happens.
So, मेरा what are we doing actually? We are giving blessings or curse. Are we cursing or we are blessing the soul? और बोलने में हम 3-4 बार बोल देते हो सकता है. तुम कभी सुधरने वाले नहीं हो, तुम कभी ऐसे करने वाले नहीं हो. एंड ये तो शब्दों में आ जाता है. पर्टिकुलरली फॉर दोज पीपल जिसके संस्कार मुझे पता है कि इसके संस्कार बहुत ऐसे हैं, उनके लिए मीन्स particularly with the people whom we are working throughout, it could be family or the office, we are cognizant about their nature कि इसका ना ये बहुत सेंसिटिव है, ये बहुत डेलिकेट है, ये बहुत हर्ट करता है, या ये बहुत इगोइस्टिक है. We all know the varieties, and for those people throughout the day there is one a feeling कि ये तो ना ऐसा है, ये तो ना ऐसा है. If not, even if I don't say कि improve नहीं करेगा, ये बहुत क्रोध वाला है, he is very egoistic, he is very egoistic of whomever we know. And how many times do we must have said about it, he is very egoistic? कितने बार बोला होगा? कई बार बोलते हैं, हमने बोला है. और सोचा कितने बार होगा? By words it might be through 2 3 4 times. In by way of thoughts, how many times we must have thought about it? Innumerable. याद भी नहीं होगा, राइट? इतने बार हमने सोच लिया. तो हम कहते हैं, हम दूसरों को कहते, प्लीज ब्लेस मी. व्हाट इज ब्लेसिंग्स? Constant good feelings about that soul I have. This is called blessings. And vice versa. What would be curse? Constant negative feelings I'm having about that soul. So, agar this is throughout the day, this is what it's occurring in my mind about that soul. What am I doing? Am I blessing the soul? मैं पूरे दिन उसको कर्स करती जा रही हूँ. तो if I'm giving this curse, तो मतलब then can I expect कि that soul will be good for me? Because this is what I'm giving. कई बार suppose somebody just says us कि तुम तो ऐसे ही हो, तुम तो ऐसे ही हो. हम लोग फिर क्या कर देते हैं? Many times either if we are very delicate, we go in the complex, inferiority complex, or if not, then we will say, yes, if I'm like that, no, if I'm very angry, no, so what if I be angry to you, because you only said that you will not improve. आप तो बहुत गुस्से वाले हो, आप तो बहुत गुस्से वाले हो. तो अगर मैं गुस्सा करता हूँ तो what's wrong? Because you said. So in a way, I'm strengthening his anger by my words and by my feelings. So are we contributing to the people around? Can I say that I'm contributing to that energy, to his sanskar? So this is, therefore, Raj Yoga is mastery over your feelings. I just would not never feel those things, those feelings which I don't want from him. और मुझे जैसे बनाना है वैसे मुझे कहना है. I want to improve him. The words which will occur is what? आप बहुत अच्छे हो, आप बहुत सुधर जाते हो. You improve, you have put good things into practice. You are improving, you are improving. So any feelings or thoughts which I'm consistently using is what I'm contributing to the person and to the relationship and to the atmosphere around me. Because moment I think कि ये बहुत angry है, you just see when I think ये बहुत angry है. Now if you have seen now me, my expressions have changed, and then my words were very heavy, right? And then for me that time the energy कैसा है? Atmosphere heavy. So his anger, it is his anger, but eventually it became my anger. And how many times जिनके साथ रहते, पहला मेरा ऐसा नेचर नहीं था एंगर का. How many times or how many of us feel that earlier we were not so angry, but over a period of time, being with this kind of setup or being in this family since long, I have developed this nature. Is anyone here of this kind, of this experience? Yes, many of us must be, if at all the videos were on. Because why? Every time I get affected by others, like in this present situation which we saw, कि I getting affected is means I am putting that color in me, the color of anger in me. तो जितनी बार affect होती हूँ उतनी बार मैं put करती हूँ. तो therefore now it is not just with him, it is with me also. I am also the same. मैं भी बहुत angry हो जाती हूँ. तो their feelings, their nature will become my nature. So therefore, when we talk mastery over the feelings, I just don't create any negative, any thoughts, any feelings which the soul is currently going through. Like suppose I know he is very delicate, but I would always create a thought, you're very strong, you're very strong. And because I could create a thought that you're very strong, that's what I will tell him. And then when I tell him, if anyone says me, you're very good, you're very strong, how it happens to me? Will it encourage me to become strong? So my words, my feelings, my thoughts have such a great contribution in others. तो इसका मतलब मेरे में तो कितना ज्यादा हो जाएगा. So mastery over your words and over your thoughts, and then सबसे important over your sanskars, deep rooted nature. This is the mastery over it. Because sanskar is what? Some beliefs I am going through, some nature which is a part and parcel of my personality. And that, how did it become a sanskar? The feelings, the thoughts put many times into action has now become a sanskar. First time, we must, in this platform, many of us must be knowing driving. It could be any, scooty chalana, car chalana. Many of us must be knowing driving. Okay, first time when we were driving, how was it? We were completely concentrated on the driving, right? But now, after a year or so, we are driving. Whilst driving, we have the music on. We have somebody with us and we are talking with them, right? And many times we are even having lunch also. खाते भी रहते हैं और सुनते भी रहते हैं और चलाते भी जाते हैं और राइट डेस्टिनेशन पर भी पहुंच जाते हैं. After a period of 1 year, or it could be even 1 month. How it happened? Earlier, first time when we started, for 1 month or so, it was just driving, nothing else. इतना सा कोई बोल भी देता ना बाजू वाला हमको, वो नो दे टोकते हैं, अब कहते चुप बैठो, प्लीज डोंट स्पीक, you are distracting me. Why? Because the person who is, he is afraid. When we started driving, there was we wanted somebody with us, but he was always afraid. So if he was afraid, we also used to get afraid, and therefore we used to quieten him. Please chup बैठो, because you are distracting me. But after 1 year, no effect. Why? The same thing, the same person. Because now it became my nature. And when it became my nature, it became in my automatic mode. कुछ भी चल रहा है, मुझे कुछ नहीं फर्क पड़ता है. Still I will automatically drive in that road and reach my destination, and very effectively also. This is called sanskar. तो अभी हम क्रोध, अब वो मेरा संस्कार बन गया, ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता है। हम क्रोध के लिए क्या कहते हैं? मेनी टाइम्स डू वी से कि आई जस्ट डोंट नो, आ जाता है, गुस्सा आ जाता है। दिस इज व्हाट वी से। नो, hatred just comes. I don't know how I speak. I just, this person is before me, वैसे ही निकलता है, आ जाता है, निकलता है, मतलब मुझे सोचना भी नहीं पड़ता है। How it became so much automatic? How the driving became automatic? Similarly, the anger became automatic. Because it's over a period of time, I went on using it, it became automatic. So this is how it became automatic. Now I want to make my nature, coolness, calmness, kuch bhi ho jaye, I'm just not going to think this for you. I want to make this automatic. Same procedure like driving. Because, and I know how to do it. It's not difficult. It's just has to practice. How many times have I to practice? एक बार एक दिन practice करो, 2 दिन practice करो, within 1 week. Now suppose you are driving well here in India. Now you go to US. There is the right hand driving. Will you be that much comfortable like you were here? Immediately? Immediately you just went there and started? It won't be not. It won't be immediately. And then how much 4-5 days training you did? और अब उसके बाद it became automatic. Within one week or so, because you are used to driving. Only that's the right hand driving, यहाँ left hand driving है. Sorry, वहाँ left hand driving है, यहाँ right hand driving है. So you were conscious, you were very attentive whilst driving for some initial days, and thereafter it became your sanskar. Now, so it's just 1 week for a sanskar. I want to make peace my sanskar. कुछ भी कोई बोले ना, I just don't want to retaliate. I don't want to react. Because this resentment which I'm holding, we all know कि how many it's giving rise to so many ailments. So if I just want to be peaceful, how many days training I needed? 1 हफ्ता you need to do the training of thinking positive. And for that positive information. So just for 1 week I'm exposed completely, at least one, how many times I have to do? 1 hour a day, which will impact 23 hours, the rest 23 hours of my day. We listen anything for little time. We see the movie, we listen the news for some time. How many hours it has impact on? How many number of hours it is, the effect is there? For so many, it is sometimes lifetime, what we have heard. So इसलिए for some time we do this exercise of listening positive information, which in the centers nowadays we are doing the online courses. So we do this, and then 1 week or so you will feel the change. We had started a course in the lockdown. When the lockdown started, we had started an online course for just the professionals, and it was for 1 week, and today it's been 3 months. It's like anyone, if you listen, miraculous results, the miracles playing in their life. What they were 3 months ago and what they are now 3 months after. The whole life 360-degree shift. Just by having this positive information. Of course. So this information and then acting. If you recall, क्योंकि जैसे जैसे हम सुनते जाते वैसे वैसे हम बनते जाते. Any one of us have remember uh, some angry feelings or any such situation where you created anger last? Any one of us could recall? Last you created anger. It could be just irritation also. Seeing a red light, you got irritated. It could be inner, it could be outer, whatever. There was a person because of which you created anger. So we recall, yes or no? Yes. Whatever. So now, just 1 minute meditation. The same situation, the same person. So that time he spoke something else, whatever, it was not as per what your expectation, and because of which you created anger. Okay, this is the regular situation of an anger. Now, the same person, situation is the same. He is not doing things as per your way. Now, think yourself to act differently. Just visualize yourself acting differently, everything else remaining constant. Okay, so 1 minute meditation in this case, same situation, same person, because whatever is the situation is different for everybody. The child not listening, the husband, the partner not listening, or the employee being very rude, etc. The same situation, now think yourself in a different way. Possible? He is abusing, he is doing this. Yes. Possible to see yourself differently? Possible?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what did you see? Whoever said yes, if they
So,
can share.
so I had an example. Yeah. So I had an example on Sunday afternoon. I slept for a while, and by the time I got up, I mean, I must have slept for about 2 hours. By the time I got up, I thought that the house would be in order, but the house was not in order, and the kids had kind of tumbled everything here and there. So I got angry, and I think the next 45 minutes just went off in anger. If I think back, maybe if I just spent 10 minutes and sorted the house out myself, I could have avoided that anger and I could have avoided that 1 hour of unpleasantness in the house. It would have been a matter of 5-10 minutes.
Certainly. Wonderful. So what you did in this situation, you just changed yourself. And for you, the whole world
Yes.
of 1 hour changed. This is the answer. I have to just pause
Right.
and understand where have I to change. And when I change,
Right.
my whole setup change. And as you said, that I just had to think if this much change I have to do. This thought
Right.
is a blessing for me. This is a blessing.
Right.
This is how I bless myself. So I don't want anyone else to bless me. I have to just bless myself. This is changing the sanskar. When I change, when the thoughts change, it changes the feelings, the actions, and then the sanskar. तो जैसा संस्कार होगा वैसी संस्कृति होगी, कल्चर होगा, और वैसा संसार होगा. So if I want a beautiful world around me, हम दुनिया को ब्लेम करते, व्हाट, क्या कलयुग आ गया, क्या ये है, व्हाट्स द थिंग्स, कितना खराब है. But what is something someone had done wrong, thought wrong, done wrong, felt wrong, because of which ये कलयुग आया. तो सतयुग भी कैसे आएगा? Someone will think beautiful, just as you said just now, will feel beautifully and do that. सतयुग आ जाएगा. तो संसार, if the world is fine, then I will be happy. Or if I be happy, then the world will change. क्या है?
तुम अपना वो देखेंगे
So what is important? So when I change, the world will change. So therefore, what is yogic lifestyle? So Raj Yoga, not for a day, not for for half an hour, but Raj Yoga is a lifestyle. So throughout the day, simple things if I keep into mind. So early morning meditation, 5 minutes, 15-20 minutes. The moment you get up, the first thing मैं जिसका मुंह देखूंगी, it would be God, Supreme. So early morning meditation, then spiritual study, pranayam, which will help me to do right actions. Spiritual study is 20 days wisdom, which we go across, so that it will help us to do right actions. And then sattvic food. I'm doing yoga, but the food is not sattvic, non-veg, etc., of bad feelings. So sattvic food and pure vibrations with, and when I'm having or when I'm making the food with very high vibrations, high energy food. And then when I'm earning the money, it's not just earning money, but even earning blessings with the money. I'm doing work in the office because of which I'm getting the salary. At the same time, am I helping others? Is the energy of cooperation there? Then it's very good. And the last is then तो जैसा अन्न वैसा मन और वैसा तन हो जाएगा. Then the body would be healthy. So this, if I do with these blessings earned, this type of money earned, I come home, I will have sleep in 1 minute. चैन की नींद आ जाएगी. तो इसलिए अगर मेरा yoga is not of 30 minutes, but it's a yogi lifestyle. This is called yogi lifestyle. Otherwise, it is a bhogi lifestyle. So therefore, now let us contemplate for 3 minutes what all we have done. Meditation is nothing. Right from the beginning, start of the day, connection with the Supreme, as we had said earlier, connection of the self with the Supreme. The thoughts when connected to the Supreme, that is meditation. So we'll just try for 3 minutes, the thoughts, how it is connected. So every one of us can just be silent, and I'll give you thoughts. You just have to accordingly think, and it's a beautiful journey within. So I, the point of light, am just a pure energy, a powerful energy. Think yourself a point of light. I am the controller of my thoughts, actions, words, feelings. I have complete control over everything. I am the master. So now I, the point of light, am connecting to a supreme energy. The energy which is beyond this physical world. So I, the soul, am going up to a beautiful world, which is called the Supreme World. And I'm getting rays from the Supreme Energy. Powerful rays are coming from the Supreme Energy. The rays of peace, the rays of love. They're filling, it's like I'm getting filled by these rays of peace, love, happiness. And I'm now, it's like energizing myself with this pure energy, powerful energy. The inner me has been charged. It's glowing. And now, with this charging, I'm now able to understand myself. Since I've charged, I've taken a promise today that I will create positive thoughts, come what may. Whatever actions outside, it will be based on my pure, powerful, and positive thoughts. And with these actions, I'm bound to get the best result. So doing this Raj Yoga throughout the day is, I create a complete control. I become a master of myself. This is self-mastery. When the thoughts, words, actions, feelings, attitudes, sanskars are under my control. Now I don't need anyone to be under me, because myself is under me. I am the powerful being who can influence others. And this is my lifestyle, yogi lifestyle, not just 30 minutes, but 24 hours, becoming a yogi lifestyle. Om Shanti. Om Shanti. Shanti.